Hey everyone, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jen. Welcome. It's a beautiful, cloudy, exciting day here in Northeast Florida, growing Zone 9. Today in the garden, I'll be harvesting my grapes for the very first time, so I can give these homegrown grapes a taste test. My grapevine plants were purchased from Lowe's last year, and this is the first year they've began to produce fruit. And they seem to be very productive. If you've ever considered growing grapes, I would encourage you to do so, because they have been surprisingly easy to grow. Generally, I water them about 3 times a week and fertilize every 3 to 6 months. When it comes to fertilizing, I use Dr. Earth's Natural Wonder. My channel has no affiliation to the company, but they do offer a great product. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below. Alright y'all, this is a moment I've been looking forward to. It's finally time to give these a try. I'm hoping they're as tasty as they look. The grapes are tender and very juicy. The juices inside are just glistening in the sun. This is a seeded variety. These seeds are edible and harmless for most people to digest. But I'm going to go ahead and remove and save a few of these seeds for a future experiment. I'm going to see if I can get a few of these to grow. They look so delicious and juicy. Let's go ahead and give them a try. I'm not the most delicate eater, as y'all can see, but they are definitely worth growing. They tasted so delicious. And they're super easy to grow. Any questions or comments, be sure to drop it down below. Thanks for joining me. See y'all next time.